Learn to 3D model this hose nipple in Ondsel. First, select the fasteners workbench and add a threaded rod. Return to the part design workbench. Select the rod and make it bigger. Decrease length and activate reel thread. Create a new body while it's selected. A copy will be placed inside the body. Create a sketch on the bottom face. Select the polygon tool and draw one at the origin. Select a line and make it horizontal. Then select the dimension tool and select these two vertices. Enter a distance. Click close to exit the sketch. Select the pad feature to extrude. Switch to a 2 dimensions type. Enter the following distances. The thread is now better fused to the polygon. Click OK to apply. Now create a new sketch. Select the XY plane. Select the circle tool. Draw one at the origin. Click close to exit the sketch. Select the pocket tool. Select through all and click OK. The opening is now smooth everywhere. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Export FreeCAD models directly to their website with this macro. Then quickly preview your design. Select how it should be manufactured and submit your request. Let's move on. Create a new sketch. Select the XZ plane. Then select the polyline tool. Watch how the polyline is drawn. Right-click twice to exit the tool. Box select these vertices and make them coincident. Drag some lines if necessary. Now select these 4 vertices. And add a vertical constraint. Select these 4 lines and make them equal. Also select these 3 lines and also make them equal to each other. Select the dimension tool. Select this line and add a dimension. Also add a dimension to this line. Select this vertex and add a dimension from the origin. This one needs also to be constrained. Select both vertices and add a vertical constraint. Now select the long line and add a vertical distance. This vertex must also be positioned. Enter a vertical distance. All sketch lines are constrained now. Exit the sketch. Consider subscribing if you like my content, thanks. Then select revolution. And revolve it 360 degrees around the vertical axis. The hose nipple model has been finished now. The inside is completely smooth as you see. Please stay tuned. Also check out my other channel for all my 3D printing projects and tutorials. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.